Hi everyone. Today we're gonna talk about projects in database management system course in University of Dayton Fall 2016. In this project, our team are Sami Al-Shihri, Adil Al-Shabib, Alia Al-Shammari. Our professor, Dr. James Beckley. In this project, the purpose for this project is practice what we learned in database management system course. Also in this project, we work together as a team to build a database management system for Trax rental office. The table's name, after analysis the project's idea, we create a table for database. Customer, employee, branch, works on, contracts, Trax, insurance, and payment info or information. The relation will be supervision, deal with, works on, makes, includes, pays, choose, and has. So this is our ER diagram. So we have in pink identity, the branch and employee, contracts and insurance and track and customer. This is weak entity. Why? Because we don't have primary key. The schema information is our customer. In customer we have customer ID, first name, last name, sex, address, email, phone. Also we have employee schema schedule and table and branch works on. We have ESSN that's related in employee SSN and branch ID and hours. In contracts table, we have contracts ID, start date, end date, branch ID, customer ID, track number. Tracks, we have track number and insurance, and in insurance we have insurance number and insurance type, such as liability or full coverage. Payment info, we have customer ID, contract ID, payment method like cash or check or credit card. Last thing, total price. So this is our schema diagram. As you see, this is the employee table. The ESSN related to employee SSN. The other table, we have branches. We have branches ID is primary key, and also we have contracts. Contracts ID primary key. The primary key in payment info, customer ID, and payment info is weak entity. So the customer ID and contract ID is a foreign key. And next slide, this is the table for our database. This is the customer table, and this is the information that inside this table, and employee table, branch table, works on table, contracts table, tracks table, insurance table, and payment info table. Now my teammate Adil Al-Shabib will talk about the SQL query.
Hello, I'm gonna continue the explanation of our project. In this part, we test our project by using many queries. First, we chose all information for the customer by using this statements. Select start from customer. So all information for customer chose here. And another one, to list all employee information who works in branch number B1000. We write select start from employee where employee ID equal B1000, and the result is here. If you see here the branch ID. And another SQL query is to display the last name and first name of all branch managers whose first name is started with letter M. So here is the manager for we have just two manager that have name that's name started with letter M. And to show all trucks that have type of heavy truck, here's the statement: select the truck number and the truck type from trucks where trucks type equal heavy trucks, and here is the result. Another one, to display the payment method and the total price of all customer payment of the three payment method. Here is the code, and here is the result. We have to type two payment method: cash, credit card, check. 6, to display number of employee for each branch. We have each branch has 5 employees, so here is the result. 7, to show the first name, last name, and 6 for the customer who have male 6, yes. Here is the code, and if you see here the result for the male 6, so no female. 8, to show first name and last name for all customer who have contract with the company. So here the information for the all customer that they have contract with the company. 9, show contract ID and the truck numbers and start date for just the trucks that was rented in year 2004. Here is the code, and here if you see here just 2004. 10, create a view that shows branch name and number of employee per branch, grouped by branch name. Here is the code, and here to show the view. Here show the SSN and first name and last name for employee whose salary between 3,500 to 400. Here is the result.
So the observation in this project, we visited budget and U-Haul trucks rental office. We met some employees in this office, and we discussed about the database procedure in their system. We got enough idea about this about how the database is working. Then we began to build the ER diagram and schema. Finally, we worked to create the tables and their relations in Oracle, and we tried to test our database by writing SQL queries. What we learned: time management, and significant of teamwork and cooperation with each other. Our team members are from different area, means different learning background and skills. Also adapting new instrument and tools to finally to concoct the last consequence of task, something else. We learn a challenging to choose the best thought. Unexpected. We need more time to build a website or web interface for a SQL query. We need more effort. We found some websites that provide building online database, and we can use SQL queries to test the data. Uh, this is some examples if you want to see it. The product that we use, Draw.io, to build ER diagram, Photoshop, Oracle, Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Flashback Pro 5, and YouTube. Now we will give you some examples in Oracle database with my teammate Adil.
Hello, I'm gonna show you 3 queries that we created. First, we're gonna create trigger. Here is the code, and it's created. And we're gonna see the result. It shows the old salary, and we update the new salary 7,000. So the difference between these two, 2,000. And another queries is we're gonna create view and we're gonna show the result for the view. And here I'm gonna show you the all employee in our company, or in our project, or our data. And I'm gonna show you all employee that work in branch B1001. Thank you for listening. Thank you for paying attention. We end our project, and
Thank you.
thank you so much.